Hello guys, we are back with another forecast today, and today we do have I changed a few things up. So one, the local weather is going to look different, so we'll get right into that now. You can see tomorrow and Sunday we're sitting in the 80s. That continues around 80 for the rest of the weekend to Monday, as well as Tuesday and Wednesday, and you can see some rain starting Monday morning, also a little bit Tuesday as well as Wednesday morning. Other than that, it looks like we're going to be sitting pretty nice temperatures all week.
As soon as I finished recording the previous one, the SPC ended up upgrading to a moderate risk. Still 5% chance of tornado, but a 45% chance plus significant chance of wind and hail. So we're mainly watching that Kansas, Nebraska, Wyoming, and maybe even into Colorado, maybe even into Wyoming areas for severe weather later today.
Tomorrow, looking once again up here in the Northeast, and that mainly is going to be the New York, Vermont area, and then again in the plains, and this time a huge swath from Oklahoma, and then northward, and that continues as well on day 3, once again in that same concentrated area. Also, we're going to look at our tropical weather. Our Invest 92E briefly became Tropical Depression 8E, and Tropical Depression 9E, sorry, and that ended up dissipating just an hour ago. It's noon now, so an hour ago. Here in a few hours, the Central Pacific Hurricane Center will begin giving us the chances of that reforming. Tropical Storm Gilma was Tropical Depression 8. In yesterday's forecast, it was Invest 91E. That's going to slowly make its way into the middle of nowhere. No effect to land with both of those storms. And then we're looking at Tropical Depression, Invest 92C, which has dissipated out. That was only 10% chance, so as expected. And then we're looking at Zhang once again in the Western Pacific, and you can see that one heading up towards Japan. That's now a Category 2 typhoon, and we're watching that as that heads into Japan. That will weaken a little bit before it hits Japan, so that's a good thing. And then after it crosses Japan, it could have some effects into Korea. Likely will. We're also, a new thing I just came up with is our severe weather information chart. And so we break it down into 6 different categories, but only 5 of them you'll actually see. So really, if you think about it, it's 11 categories because I have a higher and a lower. So if you look at the top here, we have marginal and low. Those constitute a 0 to a 10% chance of severe weather. A slight and a normal risk are between 10 to 25% chance of weather or severe weather, and that goes with the SPC slight risk. Going with SPC enhanced risk, we have enhanced and increased. That's 25 to 38%. 38 to 65% correlates to SPC moderate risk, moderate and probable. And then once again, 65 to 100% SPC high risk, and that's a significant event and a high risk event. If I expect a significant weather outbreak to occur, you will see this purple color, and that'll be extreme. Remember, you're only going to see 5 of these colors, 6 if I issue an extreme. Otherwise, it's going to be pretty basic. All the other wording and stuff will just be used, but it'll only be 5 or 6 colors depending on the storm. That's it for now. I will not be here the next few days. I think our next forecast video will be either Tuesday or Wednesday.